Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to go over two different functions of the Excel. The first one is data validation and the second one is the Vlookup. So here's the table that we'll use, the database. But before we talk about these two functions, let's see how it works. The power of the combination of them. So here's the name, the different kind of names out from the data that we have here. So this is the data validation. It means that we group all the name in here and we can choose any of them. That's the data validation. And for the VLOOKUP, if you look in here, the details and the bonus, it will change the information when we change the names. And those information is related to this guy. Yep, it's all here related to the same guy here. So today, let's start with the data validation. For how to do it, it's not hard. So here's the practice sheet that we will use. So for how to use data validation, the first thing is to choose the cell that you will use, that you want to have the scroll up bar like this. So we want here. And then we go to the tab. In here, data. You see here, data validation. So we click on this and choose this one. And you come up with this small screen and we choose the list because we want the list of the name. So after that, we choose the source. So we click on here and then we go to the database we have, which is on here. So we choose the range of all the names and then click OK. Now we go back to the function page and you see all different names we can use now. So that is the data validation. Pretty easy, huh? Now we talk about a VLOOKUP. So if you click on gender, you say equal VLOOKUP. You can take the tab button so it will show up. So the first one you say the lookup value. What it means is like what is the data that you will use that as the indicators to show all the related data. So in this case, that's the name. So when we change name, all the data change. So that's how we look up. And then the second part is the data array. So for this case, that means that we need to have the table. So let's go back because we have to use the table. So in here, we highlight the table cells, and then we go to formulas, define names, because we have to name the table before we use it in the VLOOKUP. So we can put table as just the name, and then you click OK. Okay, I already existed. Let's choose another one. How about table 1? Okay, it works. So after we set up the table, now we go back to our function page. We go back, VLOOKUP. Choose the thing that as it changed, it also changed the other information, which is the name. And then the table, you see, table 1. Yeah, we got that. And then for the column, if you look at here, because we set the table, right? So as you see, this is column 1, 2, 3. The 1 is always start from the left. So I highlighted here. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So right now we are doing gender. So the column will be on 2. So we go to here. Let's go back. 2. And then in this case, we want the exact match. Exact match means that uh, this name have to exact, like, have to be M. There's no other option. That's exact match. And later we'll talk about what is the other function, the true function, which is here. You can choose true, but I will talk about it later, just in a second. So that's how it works for the VLOOKUP. And as you see, if you change it to uh, Christine Cox, it shows that it shows the related gender. So that means the VLOOKUP work. So same thing for the others, other 3 sections. So let's practice and see. VLOOKUP, lookup value, the name, table, same table, and then column. Let's see the age column. So you see age, column 1, 2, 3. So that means 3. And when we click the tab, it will just show up the name, so we don't need that. So that's 3. Okay, so exact match, the approximate match, I will talk about it later. But for this time, just click false. So Christine Peacock, 21 years old. See, 21 years old. Good. So same thing for the others. Speed up. Yep. Lookup value. Table 1. Columns 4. And then false. Okay, let's go to commission rate. VLOOKUP, the name, table array, and then column 5. So let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just put each column on the different VLOOKUP. So for Christine, we cross 9% completion rate. Yep, that's right. And the birthday is March 28th, 1993. Yep, all right. And let's check. Change name. Change. Okay. Let's go to this one. All right, exact same for this one. So that's good. The VLOOKUP works. So now I'm going to talk about the last VLOOKUP, the approximate match, when we should use it. So if you look at the data again, I have another table. So it's counting the commission rate to the related bonus. So what it means is different people have different commission rate, and according to that commission rate, we have different bonus for them. But you have to be up to this percentage to get $2,000. So for example, if you are 3%, The money bonus you will get is $1,000 because you didn't go up to 4%. But you can see in this table, it doesn't have 3% on the commission rate. That's why we need the VLOOKUP approximate match, which is the true that we didn't use for the VLOOKUP. Now we'll use and see. Alright, let's see. VLOOKUP. But for this time, our lookup value is not the name, it's the commission rate. So this is the one wonderful thing is that we can use VLOOKUP build up on the other VLOOKUP. Because as the name change, the commission rate will change also, right? So we can use the related change commission rate to calculate the percentage, to calculate the price, the bonus they will get. So you will see what I'm talking about. But same thing, we have to set up a table first for the commission in here. So we highlight the data we need to use and then define name, commission rate. Let's put 1. Yep. So this is row 1, row 2. Okay. VLOOKUP. So as the commission rate changed, the price will change. That's why we look up on the commission rate. And then the table is this one that we just used. And then, as I say, we want to see the price, the bonus. That's why we have to use column 2 to show the bonus. So 2. And then this time we use approximate match. We'll see what happens. All right. So let's see for Jenny, 5% commission rate, $2,000 bonus. And if you look at the practice data, Jenny, 5% commission rate. But in here, it doesn't have 5%. So it goes up for her bonus will be 2,000. So it's not 4,000 because it still reach to 6%. So let's see, 2,000. So you can see the power of the VLOOKUP. And this is all I want to share. And if you have question about the VLOOKUP, you can go to here, this small box, click on that. It will show more details about what's that mean for each session you put into the function. Okay, that's all I want to talk about. Thank you. See you. Bye.